To keep Bob working at his best, it's best to regularly clean his dustbin, filters, brushes, and front wheel. We recommend cleaning the dustbin daily and dusting off the filters about once a week. Start by removing the dustbin. Open the dustbin by pulling and dump out everything inside. Wipe the dustbin down when you're done. To clean the filters, open the filter container on top of the dustbin. Remove any congestion inside. Then, remove the dust off the filters. Filters should be replaced about once every 6 months. We recommend cleaning Bob's brushes about once a week. You have to flip Bob around and remove them completely and the parts that hold them in place. Use a soft surface to protect the slam LiDAR when flipping Bob. Pull up to remove the side brushes. Clean them thoroughly. If necessary, use a pair of scissors to cut out hair wrapped around the brushes. Don't forget to clean the side brush sockets too. You may use a pair of tweezers to remove any congestion inside. To clean the main brush, you'll need to first remove the brush gate. Pinch the tabs and lift. Remove the main brush and clean it from end to end. Don't forget to clean the brush gate and brush compartment as well. Again, you may use a pair of scissors or tweezers to help remove hair or congestion. We also recommend removing and cleaning the front wheel about once a week. To remove the front wheel, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Using the screwdriver for leverage, grip the wheel firmly and pull. Once the wheel is removed, use the screwdriver to pry out the wheel assembly. Clean the wheel assembly, and wheel socket thoroughly. When done, push down and lock the wheel onto the wheel assembly. Then, push down to lock the assembly onto Bob. We also recommend wiping down the sensors when dusty. Using a soft cloth, wipe Bob's edge sensors, charging plates, bumper, and cover of the slam LiDAR. Avoid touching the inner parts and inserting items into the slam LiDAR. Wipe the charging nodes on Bob's station. Bob's battery comes with a 2-year warranty, but its lifespan can vary depending on its use. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to open the battery compartment. Slide the battery out and unplug it. Plug in your new battery and slide it back inside Bob. Reinstall the screws when done.